All right, viewers, what you see on your television screen, Jairam Ramesh, Rahul Gandhi. Now, Rahul Gandhi would be addressing a press conference and also speaking with the press. What we have been given to understand that this is going to be on the current NEET crisis, not just NET, even not just NEET, but even the NET, because the UGC held NET examination was cancelled. The examination was held just about 2 days ago, but was cancelled. You just heard a short while ago the Education Ministry also coming in, suggesting that they themselves have taken action because they suspect that the paper was leaked, putting a very unfavorable spotlight back on the National Testing Agency, because the NTA responsible for not just NEET but as well as conducting the NET examination, where the UGC held NET, the National Eligibility Test is concerned. Now that examination will be held on another date. The date has not been given, but importantly, the investigation on what really led to a paper leak has been handed over now to the CBI. Politics has erupted on the sidelines as well, where the BJP in the state of Bihar is accusing the former deputy CM of Bihar, Tejasvi Yadav, of possibly being behind the NEET paper leak. Not the NET, the NEET paper leak that had taken place in the state of Bihar. But on the other side, most opposition parties have jumped in, not just the Congress, the Aam Aadmi Party, as well as even the Uddhav faction of the Shiv Sena, demanding that a thorough investigation take place. Some of them even suggesting that the entire NEET examination, which impacts 24 lakh students, be held once again. Rahul Gandhi expected today to speak on the current NEET crisis. The Education Ministry, the Joint Secretary, held a press conference a short while back, especially on the National Testing Agency examination that is now cancelled, saying that the CBI will now be conducting a probe and a proper investigation will take place on what really went down. On the sidelines of it, viewers, it is the students who are up in arms against the National Testing Agency. You had from the Students' Federation of India and hundreds of students from the Delhi University all assemble outside the Shastri Bhavan, where the Education Ministry is in protest. So lots of angles to the story, but here at India Today we are going to stand up for what the students want, and many of them asking that the NTA be scrapped, or at least a thorough investigation take place on how the NTA has been conducting examination. Whereas NEET in particular is concerned, 24 lakh students have given the examination this year, where NEET is basically seen as the gateway to a career in medicine for our doctors. And this time around, the biggest discrepancy or anomaly one can suggest was the inflation in the rankings. For example, the last time around, those who secured a cent% mark sheet, which is 720 on 720, there were only 2 people who were ranked number 1 across the country. This time around, that ranking from 2 jumped all the way to 67, a huge inflation in the ranking system. And there have been discrepancies, as only some centers have reported multiple students that have gained the cent percentage, which is 720 on 720. The Supreme Court has now stepped in as well. Earlier on, the Supreme Court at All right, let's listen in to reactions coming in, and we'll cut across to our correspondents for more.
1 मई को तेजस्वी यादव के आप सचिव प्रीतम कुमार के मोबाइल नंबर रात्रि 9:07 में पथ निर्माण विभाग में कार्यरत NHI गेस्ट हाउस में सिकंदर कुमार यादवेंदु के लिए कमरे की बुकिंग कराने के लिए फोन आया था।
प्रीतम जी ने हमको फ़ोन किया था, जो सिकंदर कुमार के नाम से कमरा बुक कराने के लिए। फिर 1 तारीख को रात में फिर उन्होंने दोबारा 4 को कहा था। हमने कहा था रिक्वेशन के लिए, तो उन्होंने कहा रिक्वेशन उनके द्वारा दे दिया जाएगा। तो हमने अकॉर्डिंगली मैसेज वहाँ के कनीक अविंदा को कर दिया, उनको फ़ोन पर बता दिया ऐसा ऐसा है, बाद में वो रिक्वेशन भी देंगे। और हमने अधीक्षण अविंदा को भी बता दिया था यूनिवर्सल फाउंटेन विकास।
किसके नाम से बुक हुआ रूम
हुआ या नहीं इसकी जानकारी नहीं, हमने सिर्फ मैसेज किया था।
जो प्राइवेट सेक्रेटरी है तेजस्वी यादव जी के, सिकंदर यादवेंदु उनके परिजन हैं। अगर वह प्रीतम का रिश्तेदार है और प्रीतम ने अपने रसूख का इस्तेमाल करते हुए उनको सुविधा प्रदान की है, और नीट के मामले में वो गिरफ्तार हुए हैं तो निश्चित रूप से शक का दायरा तो बढ़ता जा रहा है।
एनडीए की सरकार, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार हमेशा से माफियाओं को संरक्षण देने का काम करती है और जिस प्रकार से माननीय तेजस्वी प्रसाद यादव के पीए का नाम लिया जा रहा है, हम समझ रहे हैं पॉलिटिकल रूप से उनको फंसाने की एक साजिश की जा रही है। ये तो जांच का विषय है, जांच होनी चाहिए। राष्ट्रीय जनता दल निश्चित रूप से न किसी को फंसाती है न किसी को बचाती है। कानून अपना काम करता है, कानून अपना काम करेगा।